In the world of search engine optimization, or known as SEO, technical issues can significantly impact your website visibility and rankings on search engine results pages, or they call it SERPs. These technical issues, if left unresolved, can hinder your site's performance and affect its ability to attract organic traffic. Now, in this beginner's guide, we will look at the common technical SEO issues and provide actionable solutions to fix them. Number one is slow page speed. Now, slow loading times can frustrate users and lead to higher bounce rates. This negatively impacts your SEO efforts. So, to fix this issue, optimize your website images, minify CSS and JavaScript files, leverage browser caching, and consider upgrading your hosting plan for faster performance. Number two, mobile responsiveness. With the majority of internet users accessing websites on mobile devices, having a mobile responsive design is essential for SEO. So ensure that your website is optimized for various screen sizes and resolutions to provide a seamless user experience across these devices. Number three is broken links. Broken links, also known as 404 errors, can harm your site's usability and credibility. Regularly audit your website for broken links using tools like Google Search Console or third-party link checkers, and properly fix or redirect any broken URLs to relevant pages. Number four, duplicate content. Duplicate content can confuse search engines and dilute your website authority. Identify and resolve duplicate content issues by using canonical tags, setting up 301 redirect, or consolidating similar pages into one authoritative source. Number five is missing SLM sitemap. An SLM sitemap helps search engines crawl and indent your website more efficiently. Ensure that your website has an SLM sitemap and submit it to search engines like Google and Bing to their respective webmaster tools. Number six is poor URL structure. A clear and organized URL structure can improve user experience and make it easier for search engines to understand the content of your pages. Now, use descriptive keywords in your URLs and avoid unnecessary parameters or session IDs, and keep your URLs short and concise. Number seven is thin content. Pages with thin or low quality content may be perceived as less valuable by search engines. Improve your website content by adding more depth, relevance, and value to your pages. Focus on creating high quality, innovative, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Now, number eight, improper use of heading tags. Heading tags like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 help search engines understand the structure and hierarchy of your content. Ensure that your heading tags are used appropriately and reflect the main topics and subtopic of your page content. Number nine is SSL certificate issue. Security is an important ranking factor for search engines, and having an SSL certificate installed on your website is crucial for user trust and SEO. So ensure that your website has a valid SSL certificate installed to encrypt data transmission and secure sensitive information. Now, by addressing these 9 common technical issues, you can improve your website's performance, enhance user experience, and boost its visibility in search engines ranking. Now, regularly monitor your website for technical issues and take proactive steps to fix them to maintain a healthy and optimized online presence. But remember, technical SEO is an ongoing process, and stay vigilant is a key to making it a long-term success. Now, thanks for watching. If you have any question, please comment below. Give this video a thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks and bye for now.